In this video, I'm going to show you how to use VideoAnt, the video annotation software that is created by the U of M. Okay, so first step is getting to VideoAnt. Here's the wrong way to do it. If you type in videoant.com, it brings you to this thing, and I don't know what this is, but this is not VideoAnt. So, don't go here. If you go back into Google and you search for VideoAnt, this is the link that you want right here, the one that says ant.umn.edu. Okay, and if you're watching this video, chances are you are affiliated with the University of Minnesota. So go ahead and click sign in with the University of Minnesota. It's going to ask for your internet ID. Okay. So once you're signed in, you get to a screen that looks like this. This is my let me make it full screen so you can see it. This is my videos that I have saved. So I've got a couple in here, but let's say that you wanted to start a new video annotation. Okay, so what it asks for is the URL of a video file or a YouTube video. So what VideoAnt does is it takes a video that already exists somewhere else and lets you annotate that. Okay, so I'm going to go over to YouTube right now. Okay, and let's search for Moodle. We'll just look for a Moodle tutorial. Okay, so here's something, right? So we've got this. Now, if I want to share this URL, it's always a good idea when you're linking to something else and you want to share a URL from YouTube, it's always a good idea to click that share button and then grab this URL because you can specify whether or not you want to share the playlist that it's from and what time to start at and everything. So just grab that URL. That'll make things easier. Okay, so now that we have that, paste it in there. Okay, so now I have this Moodle 3.0 tutorial for beginners in here. And so we can follow the instructions over here. It says start the video by pressing play. When you're ready to add an annotation, click this button over here and then fill out the annotation form. Okay. All right, so we'll just say test comment, good video, like that, and then I click save. Okay, and so once I've made that comment, we can see by this black line over here, that's where my comment is, right? And if I wanted to make another comment, let's say at 55 seconds in, and okay, I've made that comment. So you can see by this black bar, I've got 2 comments there. All right, that's great. So what I can also do when I have this VideoAnt here is I can respond to each individual comment, right? So, and in this way, if you're using this in a course, you can upload the video and then your students can interact, make the comment, and then also respond to each comment, so that you have this thread going, right, of each thing. Okay, so all right, so I've got that there. Let's go back to my main home page. and you can see the one that I just started is right there. Okay, and I click the little gear there to give me some general settings. Now, if I wanted to share this, here's the share URL, and I can embed that in my Moodle course, or I can send it in an email, and anybody will be able to see it, right? Um, and if or if I want to, I can add a group of users. I can send them a message, and you can even export the comments using text or RSS, JSON, and whatever XML are. I don't know what those last two are. So that's how to set up. That is how to set up um, VideoAnt. And if you wanted to embed that in a Moodle course, I'm just going to open up Moodle right here real quick. Okay. Okay, so here we've got Moodle. We'll come over here to my test site, and once you're on the front page, okay, so we'll turn editing on. Let's say I want to embed that in a page on Moodle. Okay, so I'm going to add a new page. I'll call this test VideoAnt. Okay, and under the page content, there it is. Okay. Okay. Get back here. Okay, and we're just going to select all of this code. Just going to select all of it. And under page content, whenever you're embedding something in a page on Moodle, what you have to do is toggle over to this HTML view by clicking this this button here, and you can see when you're here that there's some text there. What you want to do is just copy and paste it in, and that's all you have to do. So if I unclick that, this brings us back to the normal view, and you can see we have our VideoAnt embedded right in there. Okay, so I'm gonna save and display, and right here on Moodle, we've got the VideoAnt that we can interact with, and well, we can view it. We can't interact with it, but we can view it on there. So in order to interact with it, you'd have to use it through the actual VideoAnt link. And that is how you start a new VideoAnt and embed your VideoAnt in a Moodle page. If you wanted to include the link for students to interact with it and view it, you might want to include this share URL, right? So you can embed it as I've shown you, and if you wanted to include the link with the embedding, and what you would do is just put the link before the VideoAnt. Oops. Okay, so right, so I do that. paste that share URL in there. Right. And then save and display. And there's the link that they can interact with, and they can also view it from their page. So that is how you start a VideoAnt and embed it into Moodle.